All right, folks, I pretty much completely forgot about this giveaway. It's been 2 weeks, so I'm going to go ahead and draw a winner for that now. I'm going to use the random comment picker. 46 unique comments, and the winner is George Elliott. Love to get this. Have an Lite S on the way. I need something to work with my trash can. Well, this will definitely work with your trash can. All right, George, what I need you to do is go ahead and get in touch with me, tweetfp@gmail.com, so I can verify your identity, and I'll get this thing sent out to you. Thanks for everybody who watched and commented. I know this wasn't a super popular giveaway, but I like to try doing these things for my viewers. If you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe. Check out my Patreon account. I want to try to build that up a little bit and maybe do my giveaways on Patreon rather than just through YouTube. Give the people who really try to support me something, try to get back to those guys. All right, I will see you all next time, and congratulations, George Elliott. Please get in touch. Bye.